So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert a basic line here in Google Slides into your presentation. So while you have Google Slides open up on your device, go into your presentation, go to the top right here and press on the plus arrow, or plus icon, I guess. Go down to where it says line right here, press on line, press on basic line. Now you have added a basic line to your presentation. So you can go ahead and change the angle by just pressing on it and pressing one of the blue circles on the corner and then sliding it to whatever direction you want. So let's just say I wanted to make it a nice straight line like that. There you go. Now if you wanted to change the thickness, for example, to simply press on the basic line, go to the bottom, press on the thickness line style. Then you can change the line weight and make it as thick or as thin if you want. You can change the line dash, making it a dashed line. You can change the color. Basically, you can play around with it and do whatever you wish, but that is pretty straightforward in how you guys can insert a basic line here in Google Slides. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching.